Friends, I am Aaditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this school is situated in Gola Bazar. Okay, today we will learn that how we can double numbers. On last day we have learned understanding multiplication, multiplication fact, repeated addition fact, and we have also learned skip count by 2. Okay, but now we have learned doubles. That means, what is doubles? Doubles means that means doubles means 2 times of any number. Okay, and we can find doubles from 2 methods. First of this, that we can add the numbers itself. That means double means adding the number to itself. That means there is a number 7. If you want to double it, we can add it 5 plus 5. Okay, then there will be 10, and 10 is the double of 5. From other hand, from other method, you have to multiply 7 from 2. That you have to find double of 7, then you have to multiply from 2, there will be 14. Okay, so 14 is the double of 7. You can see here that given a question, Latha has 5 pencils, Ankita has double the number of pencils. That means Latha has 5 pencils, but Ankita has double the number of pencils. Which pencil have Latha? Ankita have double of this. Okay, that means you can write it from 2 types. First, 5 plus 5 equal 10. That means double means adding the number to itself. That means कि आप अगर किसी नंबर का डबल फाइंड करना चाहते हो तो आप उस नंबर में उसी नंबर को ऐड कर दो. ओके, देन 5 plus 5 equal will be 10. From other hand, from other method, you can multiply it with by 2, and you will multiply 5 by 2, that will be 10, and 10 is also double of 5. So it also means multiplying the number by 2. So you have concluded that you can double the numbers from 2 method. First, adding the number to itself, and second, multiplying the number by 2. Okay, so now you have to come on I can do it. You can see here that there is a question, I can do it, write the doubles, and you have to write the doubles of these numbers. Okay, listen, when you will double of 3, you can find it from 2 methods. First, 3 plus 3 equals 6, and from other method 3 multiply 2 equals 6. From both sides you have seen that the answer is same, the double is same. So 6 is the double of 3. Now you have to find the double of 8. You can find the double of 8 from 8 plus 8 equals 16, and 8 multiply 2 equals 16. Both are same, that 16 are double of 8. Okay, so you have to find double of 6. Double of 6 will be 6 plus 6 equal 12, and from other method 6 multiply 2 equal 12. So 12 is the double of 6. Now you have to find the double of 1. The double of 1 will be 1 plus 1 equal 2, and from other method 2 multiply 1 equal 2. Okay, from both method there are the same answer. Now you have to find the number of double of 7. When you find the double of 7, you have to add the number itself. From 2 method you can find, first adding the number to itself, and second multiplying the number by 2. Okay, so 7 plus 7 equal 14, and from other method there will be 7 multiply 2 equal 14. Okay, now you have to find the double of 2. If you want to find the double of 2, you have to adding the number to itself. That means 2 plus 2 equal 4, or you have to multiply the number by 2. That means 2 multiply 2 equal 4. Now double of 4 will be 4 plus 4 equal 8, and 4 multiplied 2 equal 8. Both are the same, so 8 is the double of 4. Now you have to find the double of 9. The double of 9 will be 9 plus 9 equals 18, and from other method 9 multiplied 2 equal 18. Both are the same, so 18 is the double of 9. Okay. Now multiplying by 5, you can see here that next heading is our multiplying by 5. You have to write you have to complete the table. Now you can see that there is a table, and now you have to fill it. Okay, let's fill it. Firstly, we have to understand that what we want to fill. Okay, there are some groups of leaves. In first column there are 2 groups of leaves, and in each group there are 5 leaves. In second column there are 3 groups of leaves, and in each group there are 5 leaves. Okay, in third column there are 4 leaves. There are 4 groups of leaves, and in each leaves there are 5 leaves. Okay, and in fourth column there are 6 groups of leaves, and in each group there are 5 leaves. So now you have to find first number of groups. In first column number of groups will be 2, because the number of groups is 2, which has the 5 leaves in each group. Okay, now in second column number of groups will be 3, because there are 3 groups of 5 leaves each. Okay, so number of groups will be 3. Now next there will be 4. Number of groups will be 4, because there are 4 leaves of groups and 5 in each. 5 leaves in each. In last there are number of groups of 6, and in each group there are 5 leaves. Okay, come on. Second, leaves in a group. In every group, in each group there are 5 leaves. So you have to write 5 in all column, because you have to write that leaves in a group. In a group, that means each group how many leaves are there. So there will be 5 leaves in a group. There are 5 leaves in each group. Okay, so there will be 5 on all places. There will be 5 in second column will be 5, in third column will be 5, and in fourth column will be 5. Okay, now come on third, leaves in all. In first column there are 2 groups, and each group there are 5 leaves. Okay, so leaves in all will be 10, because 2 multiply 5 equal 10. In second column number of groups is 3, and leaves in a group is 5. So leaves in all will be 3 multiply 5 equal 15. Is it okay? Now in third column there is number of groups is 4, and leaves in a group is 5, and leaves in all will be 20, because 5 multiply 4 equal 20, or 4 multiply 5 equal 20. In fourth column there will be number of groups is 6, leaves in a group is 5, and leaves in all will be 6 multiply 5 equal 30. Okay, in fourth, repeated addition fact. In first column repeated addition fact will be 5 plus 5, because there is 2 groups, and in each group there are 5 leaves. So 5 plus 5 equal 10. In second column there will be 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 5 is added 3 times to make 15. Okay, 5 is added 3 times to make 15. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 15, because there are 3 groups, and in each group there are 5 leaves. Okay, so here will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 15. In third column there will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 5 is added 4 times to make 20. And here is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 5 is added 4 times. 5 is added to 4 times to make 20. Okay, because there are 4 groups, and in each group there are 5 leaves. So here will be 4 multiply 5 equal 20. Sorry, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 5 is added 4 times to make 5 is added 4 times to make 20. Now in fourth column, repeated addition fact will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means 5 is added 6 times to make 30, because there are 6 groups and in each group there are 5 leaves. So there will be 5 is added 6 times to make 30. Now multiplication fact, in first column multiplication fact will be 2 multiply 5 equal 10, because the number of group is 5 and the number of leaves in, because there will be multiplication fact will be 2 multiply 5, because the number of group is 2 and in each group there are 5 leaves. So 2 multiply 5 equal 10. In second column there will multiplication fact will be 3 multiply 5 equal 15, because there are 3 groups and in each group there are 5 leaves. So multiplication fact will be 3 multiply 5 equal 15. In third column there will be 4 multiply 5 equal 20, because the 4 is the number of group and 5 is the number of leaves in each group. So here will be 4 multiply 5 equals 20. Multiplication fact will be 4 multiply 5 equal 20. In fourth column, the multiplication fact will be 6 multiply 5 equals 30. Why? Because 6 is the number of group and 5 is the leaves in each group. So the multiplication fact will be 6 multiply 5 equal 30. Now next topic is skip count by. You have to skip count by 5. Okay, we have learned skip count by 2, but now we will learn skip count by 5. You can see here skip count by 5. You can see here that there is a table. Okay, what you have to do is skip count by 5. That means you have to skip 5, begin at 5. That means you have to start from 5 and color every fifth number, and you have to color the every fifth number. When you color the every fifth number, then you will find 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, what you have to do? You have to do that, begin at 5 and color every fifth number. You have to start from 5 and color the every fifth number. So there will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, so these numbers will be colored, and use the same color for all the numbers. Use the same colors for all the numbers. Okay, so you have colored 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now on bottom side, on following, write the numbers you have colored. Which numbers you have colored, that you have to write down it. Write the numbers you have colored. That means which number you have colored, you have to write down it. That means you have colored 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So you have to write down 5, 10, 15 is written, and after that there will be 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Have you understood or not? Write the numbers you have colored. Which number you have colored, you have to write down. Okay, that means 5, 10, 15 is written, and next number will be 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, so now there is a question also. The colored boxes are numbers that end with dash and dash. The colored boxes are numbers that end with dash and dash. You have seen that the number which are colored that end with, that means their last digit is 0 and 5. Okay, you can see that the colored boxes that you have colored which numbers, you can see that that numbers ends with, that means the last digit of their number is, the last digit of this number is 0 and 5. Okay, so the colored boxes have numbers that end with 0 and 5. Now read the 5 times table, write a multiplication fact. You can see here that you have to read the 5 times table and क्या हुआ? क्या